Yeah. Now, what you're referring to, everybody who's put 5, is the vowel letters. Okay, very different things in English. Sounds and letters are 2 very different things. In English, there are 20 vowel sounds. Okay, 20 vowel sounds, and this is very many more than for most of your first languages. So let's have a look at vowels a little bit more. These are the vowel letters, and we use those for writing, but for speaking, there are 20. There are long vowels. Repeat some of them after me. Ah, E, or. Okay, let's try short vowels. A, E, O. Let's try double vowels. Now, I do want you to open for these. Everything we do today, I want you to start to think about getting your jaw moving. So try O, ow. Okay, let's try I. Now, they are called double vowels or diphthong vowels, where there's 2 vowels smoothly joined together. Now, I would like to ask you, do you use the International Phonetic Alphabet at the moment? Now, some of you will be. Some of you might kind of glance at it and go, ugh, what, I'm not too sure what to do with that. So a lot of you are saying yes, which is fantastic because it is so helpful and so important when you're working on pronunciation. But for those of you who aren't using it and maybe aren't confident, I just want to tell you there's a few clues that you can take from it, which are super important for your pronunciation, even if you don't know all of the symbols. And I'm going to tell you what they are now. So when we look at, say, this first one, who knows what the 2 dots are here? Does anybody know what they are? So when you see a word written in the IPA next to the word, because you're all going to be using the Cambridge Dictionary now, yes, it means a long vowel. So that vowel is E. Okay, so it doesn't mean an open mouth, it means a long vowel. So try this, E. Now, is this one here long or short? It's short because it doesn't have the 2 dots. Every time you see those 2 dots, it means it's a long vowel. So even if you don't know what the vowel is, when you look up a word, you can go, okay, 2 dots, I know I need to make a long vowel here. What about this one? Is it long or short? It's long because it's got 2 dots, okay? And that's the beautiful thing about the IPA. It tells you every single position of the mouth you need to make, okay? So this one here, you can see is a single vowel and it's short. This is another single vowel, but it's long. When you see 2 symbols, what does that mean? It means that it is a double vowel. Exactly. Each symbol is a position. So try that. O. Okay, this one is A. 2 vowel sounds joined together. All right, so let's have a little look at vowels here. Now, I do want to go through these just to show you how helpful the IPA is. The spelling in English is so crazy, okay? There's like 10 different ways that you can pronounce just the vowels O-U-G-H in English. So there's huge inconsistencies in the spelling patterns. And as non-native speakers, often my students they're really visual learners. So they really rely on the way the word looks. Really, I encourage you all, and we'll talk about a little bit more about how to do this later, improving your listening, doing as much listening as possible will help your listening skills. So let's have a look at the first one. Can you tell me, are the vowels in the first 2 words here the same or different, the vowel sounds? What do you think? Same or different? Okay, so lots of people are saying different. Some people are saying the same. Let's have a look. The IPA will tell us. We know that there's 2 short vowels and we know that they're different. Tough, cough. Okay, what about the next one? What about these 2 here? Are the vowels sound the same or different? Okay, a lot of people are saying different. Some are saying the same. Let's have a look. The IPA will tell us. The vowels are exactly the same. We know it's long because of the 2 dots. Suit, boot. What about these 2? Same or different? Some people are saying same, some people are saying different. Let's have a look at the IPA. The IPA will tell us. Very different. This one here is a short O, cost. This one here is the double vowel O, most. Okay, very different. Now the next one, if you say this word out loud, is there a silent letter in this word at all? Does anybody know which which letter here is silent. Okay, a lot of you know this one. Some of you will have been saying salmon. There is no L, it's salmon. Okay, salmon. We do not pronounce the L, and the second vowel is the weak vowel schwa. Salmon, and you can see the stress is on the first syllable. Now this word here, I hear a lot of people mispronounce this word. It's not pronounced rapport or even report. I can look at the IPA and I can go, well, what clues have I got here? Oh, look, first vowel's weak. Second syllable is stressed. Second syllable has a long vowel and no T. So I know that it's rapport. Rapport. Okay, we better get moving, but I just wanted to show you, please start to use the IPA for clues, even if you don't know every symbol. Okay, and then we've got det with no B and liaise with a double vowel at the end.
Subscribe for more helpful English pronunciation videos. Be sure to join our free short video course. You'll improve your English vowels, word stress, correct loads of commonly mispronounced words, and more. We'll help you improve so you can speak English with more confidence.